So you want to turn your Etsy shop into a real business. Let's get into the strategies. Most new sellers are just focusing on the completely wrong things from day one. So what makes a shop go from $200 a month to $20,000? It's not luck, it's strategy. Okay, first things first, your approach matters. Are you just guessing, or do you have a real strategy? Treating it like Craigslist versus having a plan? Well, that has a huge impact on your timeline. Seriously, with a good strategy, you could see your first sale in weeks, not months. And it's not about how many listings you have. It's about how good they are. Quality over quantity. Okay, let's talk pricing. Get this wrong, and you could sink your shop before it even starts. At the start, forget about profit. Your goal is getting feedback, customers, and building social proof. And a quick warning, running a permanent discount is actually illegal, so be smart about your sales. Right, so your pricing's set for momentum. Now, how do you get seen? It's all about the algorithm. The secret? Bring trends from outside of Etsy. That's how you become a market leader. So, what does the algorithm actually care about? Simple. Etsy wants to make money, just like you. It rewards things like high conversion rates, good reviews, and how many sales you're making. I mean, look at this. Just going from a 1% to a 2% conversion rate literally doubles your money.
And for reviews, you want to shoot for at least 25%. That tells Etsy people love your stuff.
Okay, but what if your traffic suddenly tanks? First off, don't panic. You can fix this. You have to stop thinking you're a victim of the algorithm. You actually have a ton of control. Here are 3 steps to get it back. Boost your SEO, drive traffic, and add fresh listings. Here's a pro tip. When Etsy rolls out a new feature, don't be the first to adopt it. All right, let's talk about the long game. How do you sustain this growth, and when do you expand? A big question is, should I move to Shopify? And honestly, the timing on this is everything. You really want to wait until you hit about $80,000 a year. That's the sweet spot. But just having these strategies isn't enough. The real secret weapon is speed. The top shops act fast. They don't wait. So the real question is, how fast will you act?